When I loaded my first video, I never thought it would get this far. Not at all. As a World War II and Spanish Civil War lover, and as a historian, I just wanted to do my part from the uniform's perspective. Not just showing them, but understanding their use and highlighting the everyday side of a soldier's life. At the end, I just want to bring that history back to life. But in recent months, this has grown into something bigger. We've created a community. You guys have created a community where we can talk about our passion. In that sense, you have seen that I always try to answer all the comments. But believe me, guys, you ask me a lot of questions about uniforms, equipment, and different requests. And as you may already know, all this process of documentation, analyzing every uniform, every piece of equipment, takes time, research, and of course, resources. But you know what, guys? I want to take this channel to the next level, which means it's time to expand it. Better productions, more immersive videos, and more detailed setups. And of course, if you want, more periods. That's why I decided to open YouTube memberships for those of you guys who want to support the channel and be part of this journey. Members will get things like behind the scenes content, unboxing of my orders, early access to videos, and extra gear breakdowns. And for the highest level, I will personally help you with your impression as an advisor for reenactors and collectors. Of course, everything on the channel will continue to be free, because for me, sharing the knowledge is the first thing. But if you want to support what I do and help me take it to the next level, now you can join the channel, because history started a long ago, but I'm not planning to stop here.